Hello everyone and welcome to my new video for the virtual internships. In the last video of the virtual internship, I have talked about the Tata company which have launched the virtual internship for the especially for the data visualization. So today we are going to see about one of the another renowned company, that is the Accenture company. Accenture company has also launched their own data analytics virtual internship. So let's get started. So as you can see it in the screen, I have opened the virtual internship provided by the Accenture. Accenture navigating numbers, bring data to life with the analytics and the visualization. This virtual internship is totally free. Okay. And apart from Tata virtual internship, this virtual internship comes with a new outcome. Means you can, there's something new in this virtual internship. We are going to see further about this virtual internship. So as I said, this virtual internship is by the Accenture company. So completing this virtual internship and adding it in a resume will get a higher chance of getting a job in the companies. This virtual internship is self-paced. Average completion of this virtual internship is 5 to 6 hours. As I said, it's your own. It's my own turn. It's my own means time. You can complete the virtual internship. That's no time limit for this virtual internship, and it's intermediate level. You can get to know about the skills. You basically learn about the storytelling, data modeling, data understanding, the real time case scenarios of understanding, uh, etc. So how this basically works? Okay, so what you have to do, you have to complete the task. They have given you the pre-guided videos about the problems, cases, so scenarios, and the task. So you have to see that videos, complete the task, and once you have completed a task, you will get the certificate, and you can add that in the resume, and you can give a showcase that you have completed this virtual internship and you have hands-on experience on that. Okay, so we are going to see what exactly tasks are in this virtual internship. There are four tasks. Task one, that is the problem understanding. Okay, problem understanding basically comes with the case of the real case scenario. It is a real case business scenario understanding. So what exactly it is, that there's a client, there's a social media client, there's a social bus named. So what exactly social buzz is, what you have to exactly do, that the company will be providing you the data set of the social buzz related to the social buzz website. Means they will be providing you the data sets like customer, once the client, fair content, the reaction, and the reaction types. Like this, seven data sets will be provided. But it's not necessary that you have to complete, you have to work with all the seven data sets. See, it's upon the data analyst for us, that how we want to use and view our understanding and derive our insights. Okay, so basically, the ones who are more interested in the customer segmentation, or not customer segmentation, sentiment analysis of the customers. So if anyone want to understand how the sentiment analysis works, this virtual internship is one of the best for them, because this virtual internship is working on that specific domain only. Okay, you'll be having the pre-guided videos for understanding that. They'll be providing you the PDF document also. So for the customer segment analysis, customer sentiment analysis is the it's one of the good for the giving the hands-on practice on that. Okay, so you have to understand the business problem and project requirements and team alignments, and after that, uh, the here comes the task two. Task two basically is the data cleaning and the modeling part. Okay, data cleaning and the modeling part it is. So they are going to provide you the data model as well as the data sets. So first of all, you will they have also provided the data model, that which condition, means which tables are related to each other. So you will be having a better understanding for deriving the insights of that. And you have to clean the data. Obviously it will be a raw data. Okay, so so you have to clean the data. The third task, that is the data visualization and the storytelling. You have to derive whatever the understanding you have done through through the data sets. You have to understand and derive the insights from that, whatever the relationships you make. Let's say, just let's say that there are three parts. Okay, the reaction, there are three types: positive, negative, and neutral, by the content of the what you have seen. So you need to say, understand that how much percent content are positive, how much percent content are negative, which all contents are positive, negative, etc. And finally you have to present it to the client. What are the key insights to the social buzz? And you have to prepare a presentation video for the presentation and record a video to the social buzz. So this is basically the task of the virtual internship that the Accenture company has launched. According to me, it's one of the good internship for the ones who are interested in sentiment analysis and like that, for the specifically for the social media analytics. So you can do this internship. It is totally free. The link of this internship is in the description section, so please do check it out, and you will get to learn so much from this. That's all for the today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the more informative videos regarding the data analysis and Power BI analysis. So happy learning.